Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to remove Google Authenticator from MEXC Exchange. So to get started with a quick and straightforward guide, so I'm going to walk you through two simple methods on how you can simply remove your Google Authenticator from MEXC. So the first thing to do is you can log into your website. So I'm going to walk you through how you remove it both on website on mobile. So to get started with the website version, so the first thing to do is to log in into your MEXC account at mexc.com. Then from there you have to click your profile icon in the top right corner and select security. Then on step 3 you have to locate the Google Authenticator and click remove. Then on step 4 you have to click get code to receive a verification code via your linked email or phone. Then on step 5 you have to enter the receive code along with your current Google Authenticator, and from that you have to click submit to complete the process. Then on the mobile, so just open the MEXC app and tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Then on step 2 you have to select security. Then from there tap Google Authenticator. Then on step 3 you have to enter your login password, the SMS verification code, and the Google Authenticator code as well. Then on the step 4 you have to tap on continue, you have to tap on confirm to unlink your Google Authenticator, and that's how you can simply remove Google Authenticator from MEXC Exchange. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks.